Marty is a good birdie in the good Marty bird, Marty bird. Okay, everybody, welcome to another episode of the Honest to God Marty Bird Show, featuring the actual Marty Bird. The Marty Bird, the Marty Bird. Yeah, Marty is a good birdie. A good birdie in the good Marty Bird. The Marty Bird, the Marty Bird, the Marty Bird. Yeah, Marty is a good bird. Marty is a good birdie. A good birdie. And the good Marty bird. The Marty bird. I said Marty is a good birdie. A good birdie in the good Marty bird. The Marty bird. The Marty bird. Good birdie. Yeah. Yeah, Marty is a good bird. They don't make a better bird than the Marty bird. I'm a good bird. Birdie. Yeah, Marty is a good bird. Good birdie. Yeah. Good Marty bird. I'm a good bird. Birdie. Oh, Marty high. Yeah, Marty is a good bird. Good birdie. Oh, Marty.
Hey Marty, do the Amazon. Do the Amazon, Marty. Amazon. Marty bird. Okay, Marty. Do the chicken. Chicken, Marty. Do the chicken. That's a good Marty bird. Hi. What you got, Marty? You're a pretty birdie. Marty's a pretty birdie. You're so pretty. Marty bird. Hi. What you doing, Marty? Just
This is how bad it's gonna get. Marty is a good bird. Oh, birdie. Yeah, I'm a good bird. Oh, my bird. Yeah, I'm a good bird. Oh, my bird. Ain't no make a better bird than the Marty bird. Oh, Marty. Ah. Marty, Marty bird, Marty just got a full blowing rise. Huh? Huh? Marty just got a full blowing rise. The Marty bird, the Marty bird. I said the Marty bird, the Marty bird, the Marty bird, king of birds. Marty's got the big balls of them all. I says, my bird, huh? Yeah, Marty is a good bird. Oh, birdie. Yeah, I'm a good bird, good my bird. Yeah. Oh, Marty. Hi. Yeah, Marty is a good boy. Oh, buddy. Yeah, Marty is a good boy. Bad bird. Okay, Marty, do the Amazon. Oh, okay, Marty, the Amazon. Okay, Marty, do the chicken. Do the chicken, Marty. Chicken, Marty. Do the chicken. Whoa, Marty. Yeah, Marty is a good bird. Good birdie. Yeah, I'm a good bird. Oh, birdie. They don't make a better bird than the Marty bird.
Hey, Marty, do the Amazon.
Marty! What the hell is wrong with you? You don't know nobody likes that shit. Nobody likes that shit. Even the rats don't like that fucking shit. Josie don't like that shit. Bubba don't like that shit. Nobody likes that shit. Hell is wrong with you? It's pretty shitty. No, it's pretty shitty. No, no, no. No, no, no. Huh? No, no, no. Huh? Huh? No, no, no. Pretty shitty. Pretty fucking shitty. Yeah, it's pretty shitty, Marty. Hell is wrong with you? You know nobody likes that shit. Nobody likes that shit.
Marty Bird. Hi. What you doing, Marty? Just joking.
Yeah, I'm running around.
Leave the message this time.
Hello, Clouded. Hello, Clouded. Hello.
Yeah, Marty is a good little song. Yeah, Marty is a good boy. Oh, Marty. Yeah. That was Marty on another episode. Yeah, no. Yeah, no. I gotta sign out, Marty. That was the end of the episode. Hear him in there? Yeah, he really enjoyed it.